Good morning, learners. This is your lecturer, French tutor. I'm Dr. Samuel Kofi. I welcome you to COFDOR French e-learning. We focus on teaching people to learn and speak fluent French. We provide varied lessons on everyday activities. Our lessons are accompanied with written and oral expression. Today, our topic will be parler de ses activités, to talk about one's activities. Our main objectives are the following. Lecture des dialogues, demander à quelqu'un ce qu'il va faire, exprimer la surprise ou le doute, exercice. So our main objective will be to talk about our activities. In the process, we do read a dialogue, and then we look at the main points, asking somebody about what he intends to do or what he will do. We also look at how to express our surprise and our doubt about something. Then the whole exercise also helps to revise with the content of our lessons. Let's start with the dialogue. Dialogue 1, donc lecture des dialogues. Dialogue 1, entre Kofi et Julie, et on a le dialogue 2 entre Luc et Adèle. So dialogue 1 will be between Kofi and Julie, then the dialogue 2 will be also done by Luc and Adèle. Lisons le dialogue 1. Qu'est-ce que tu vas faire ce dimanche? Je vais voyager à Koumassi. Ah bon? Et qu'est-ce que tu vas faire à Koumassi? Je vais rendre visite à mes parents. Dialogue 2. Qu'est-ce que tu vas faire après tes études? Je vais être comptable ou attaché commercial. Et toi, quel travail tu vas faire? Je vais travailler à la banque. C'est super, Luc. So this conversation seeks to bring out what the other will do. So they ask question and they respond. Let's look at use this two dialogue to design the content of our lesson. Demander à quelqu'un ce qu'il va faire. Asking someone what he intends to do. So here is the structure of the sentence, how to ask the question, how to formulate that sentence. Qu'est-ce que, plus le sujet, plus aller au conjugué au présent, plus faire, qui sera un verbe infinitif. Et on ajoute le temps ou l'heure ou le moment de l'action. So you have qu'est-ce que plus sujet plus aller, which will be conjugated in the present tense, plus the verb to do, which is faire, that will remain in infinitive, plus the time the action can take place, or the moment the action can take place, or the day the action can take place. So here we had different colors that specified, okay? We had the red, the black, blue, yellow, and green, all of which can help you to ask the question. Examples of such questions are, dans l'exemple de question, on a une conversation entre Ama et Kofi, et nous allons lire. Kofi, qu'est-ce que tu vas faire ce soir? Ce soir, je vais regarder un film chinois. Et toi, qu'est-ce que tu vas faire jeudi à 16 h? Je ne fais rien jeudi après-midi. Je t'invite au cinéma. Ah bon? Tu es gentil. Merci. À jeudi à 16 h. So this is a dialogue that in which Ama asks Kofi certain question and he also responds based on what he intends to do. Let's continue with our lessons where you have to express our surprise and doubt. Donc, exprimer la surprise ou le doute. I'll read the expressions in French and we have the English aside, okay? When, for example, you are surprised, we can say any of the following expressions. Quelle surprise! C'est vrai? Vraiment? Ah bon? Vous plaisantez? Tu rigoles? Ce n'est pas vrai. Tu es sûr? Vous êtes sûr? Pas possible. Incroyable. So all these are expressions that you use to manifest your surprise or your doubt about something, especially when engaged in a conversation with someone. Exercise. In a conversation with your friend, you inquire from him or her what he or she will do. Your friend replies and asks you to what you will do. Write your dialogue in French. So you go back to the lesson notes, you inspire yourself with the question, the dialogue that you have already read, and then you can also write your own. Homework. In a phone conversation, you tell your friend any project you want to do soon. Indicate the date, place, etc. Your friend expresses his joy and encourages you. So this is a full conversation. So such an exercise normally start with hello, hi, then you can proceed from there. Thank you for coming today. We have ended our lesson. I wish you well. Allez, au revoir. Je vous souhaite bonne journée. Au revoir.